It's your boy Dope Waste back at it again with another Pimpmyride episode 3. Now today, man, it's 3 miles. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all today. So to go ahead and start off, man, because I pretty much like bring y'all with me on these experiences. So to start off, man, is the mirrors, the mirror covers. On the other side, I did got the mirror covers too. Basically, what I did was I plastic dipped them black. Cause as y'all pretty much know in the picture, which I'll go ahead and show y'all right now.
Bitch, you show them where you stay. I come from post front the corner store. I'm out there now for niggas snorting, beefing over.
As you can see, they was like silver. So I just took myself some of the plasti dip. Now, as you do see, it's like this little line. That's just because when I was dipping them, it's just like it go down. So I should have dipped it, or my fault. I should have dipped it like a little bit over here so it covered the whole thing. But it's fine. It's like a little line throughout. And you could tell where I got lazy and I just stopped, cutting and I let it peel by itself. So that's pretty much. I did a good job with the bottom, as you could really tell. You can't tell at all there's any dips to it. So I just thought the more black look to it would look much more aggressive to the car, man. Because the silver, I didn't really like it. Like as you can tell right here, I like kind of poked my finger in there while it was still wetting. But I had more materials and I got more knowledge on dip. So if I ever get the chance, I might just redo it because I believe all you gotta do is like pick up a side, like that. I'm not gonna pick it up no more, but I just thought it gave it a much more aggressive look. It looks good. As you can tell, this side has the line on it too, and I didn't get as lazy with this side, but you could tell I should have dipped it a little bit more over here so that when I peeled it, it would have cut along the silver and black line. But I pretty much like the looks. It give it a nice little aggressive look, so I don't really have no problems with it. But let me go and show y'all just so y'all can see both sides. So next up is this DIY, tiger claw, tiger stripe, whatever y'all want to call it. I decided to put this on here for the fact it's just more aggressive. I just like my car looking nice. So to put this on, it didn't take that much long really. Probably like, well, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it took some time. So probably about 30 minutes to, okay, so if you watch this guy called Mars Speed, he gonna tell you like 30 minutes, but I left this on like probably maybe overnight or even longer just to relax. So basically it's like a sticker you put on, it's a cover. You lay it on here, right? And after you smooth it out, like you can tell, it's through some creases. After you lay it out, you're just supposed to let the sticker stay on here for 30 minutes and then you're supposed to peel it off. But what I learned now is that if you got a heat gun, what I just recently purchased, like you can tell the bottom part look much smoother. You don't really see no creases or nothing. They look much smoother, so everything fits on. But with a heat gun, what it does, it basically deletes these creases and gets rid of everything. So like it tucks it in underneath. As you can tell, everything is tucked in, not loose, and not ready to pop off. And all the stickers on there. And like I already took these to a car wash. For like example, with the mirrors, I already took it to a car wash, so they're already fine. Like both of the mirrors look fine because, like I said, I already took them to car wash. So taking this to car wash, you shouldn't have any issues with this, and that should stay on if you're doing properly. So now with the grill, this is another thing. I dipped this too. I'm pretty sure I showed y'all videos. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all those real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert that in. Comes right on. Seeing those videos, it was pretty much easy. The other thing you gotta do is probably pump. I mean, y'all already seen the videos I just showed y'all, but just pop the hood open, and then you cover up the thing that's sitting right behind there that you can hear right now, and then you just go ahead and dip this. This is probably one of the easiest things that I did so far, and I thought it was just, but it's just all about prep and how you actually do it. But what I did, I just made sure the grill was probably one of the first things I did to the car because I didn't like the chrome grill. I said I wanted a more aggressive look, which is, the tiger stripe, the grill. I just thought it looks good like this. So these are my 3 mods. The tiger stripe. Let's go ahead and give y'all a rundown on everything else. Right here, the 2 mirrors. So this is 1, and this is 2, and then the last thing was my grill. Now if y'all have any comments on what I should do next to the car, let me know. I'm always open for suggestions and everything. So just let me know, comment in the comment section. But if you did like the video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe on the video, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.
Ain't take no bad, but I'm tripping. Niggas ain't catch me slipping. Ay, yeah, I make you laugh when you with me. Know that my swag is terrific. Ay,